record. Okay, so we were last time in passage in reading passage 1, which is situated 40 page. I think
40 page. Okay, 40 page.
yeah, page number 40. So open at page. So
Yeah,
so our
I'm here.
last answer is indigestions. Which answer is 5 nong questions. Fill in the gaps. Number of 5. Fill in the gaps. Our last answer is indigestions, which is situated the last end of the first paragraph.
Yeah, I know it, but could you tell me the exact page number, because I
40
lose
40
it?
40
14, 14 or
40
40?
40 40 40 40.
40.
Yeah, 40. 14, that means 1 4. 40 40. It's a
But,
little mistake.
but,
Hasan.
oh, sorry, I have opened Cambridge Academy 14.
Yeah.
I have to find
Cambridge IELTS
13.
Academic 13. Then you will be open 40 page. So please,
Yeah.
we are going to next questions. So let's go now.
Yes. So our next question is number 6, and here I think the question is saying where the synonym grow, where the synonym is planted. Okay, so we have to find out where from where the synonym come. Okay, so let's search in the passage.
Yeah. So our question number 8 answer is Alexandria. Then our
Yeah, but I think, yeah, you are actually, our exit line would be the line numbers and the line number 7. Okay. Reach Alexandria, European traders sailed there. Alexandria sailed there to purchase their supply of cinnamon, then brought it back to Venice.
yeah.
I think you have understood.
Yeah. So the question number 9, which answer is Venice? Okay, Venice.
Yeah.
Actually, Hassan, my rooms have is a new room, so I have no fan in my room now this time. But still now I have a small fan, but when I open this fan, they creates a lot of sound. So that's why I don't.
But I am not hearing any sound. I am not hearing any sound from my side.
Because the fan is closed now. Now this time because I
Why
actually this
why
create.
did you stop it? Just open it. Turn on it. Okay. Turn on it.
Okay, so I can try this because I am very sweating now.
Yeah, I can see.
Can you hear this sound? Can you hear this sound?
No.
Okay.
No, I am not hearing any fan sound.
Okay. No problem. So we are continuing the next part.
Yes.
Okay. So you clarify this boxes 10 to 13. So I think this is easy for you. true or false not given. So we are try to be found. Okay.
Okay. So our first question is the Portuguese had control over the cinnamon trade in Ceylon throughout the 16th century. Our keyword is 16th century and the Portuguese. 16th century and the Portuguese, these are the two keywords. So we have to find out in passages. So let's start it.
Yeah. Okay, we found this. The paragraph is number of 5.
Four.
Let's see,
Four.
4. So 4 in the late 16th
In the last
century.
part.
Yeah.
The Portuguese built a fort on Ceylon, which enabled them to protect the island, so helping them to develop a monopoly. Yes, monopoly. Yes, monopoly. The answer is true.
Which is the para number?
It is last. I would say last two line.
In para number, which is para number?
It is para number 4. Para number 4 and last part. You have to read after 1518. I think he found it.
Actually,
sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
I found this. Portuguese built a fort on Ceylon, which enabled them
Yes.
to protect the
island. So helping them to develop a monopoly.
So this is true. This is true.
Yeah.
Okay. So we go to the next questions. Question number 11.
The Dutch took over the cinnamon trade from the Portuguese as soon as they arrived in Ceylon. So here the keyword is took over the cinnamon. Took over the Dutch took over
Ceylon and Dutch.
Yeah, the Dutch took over. Yeah.
As soon as they arrive in Ceylon.
Yes. In the fourth paragraph, when the Dutch arrived off the coast of southern Asia at the very beginning of the 17th century, they set their sight on dispelling the Portuguese again of cinnamon. The Dutch allied themselves with the candy and island kingdoms in China for the most of the
Yeah. I think this is this is true. I think they control it. Dutch attack the Portuguese, and then their trade already control the Dutch.
But actually I didn't found the word because here we can see that in the question as soon as they arrive in Ceylon, as soon as arrive in Ceylon. Okay, we have read the passage, but there is no indications of taking controls after coming Dutch into Ceylon. There is no such types of word.
As soon as
so we can say that
you can say me as soon as this part is not given in this answer. So
yes,
is not given.
I think so. At the last we will see the answer. Okay. At last we will see the answer. So we can mark it as a not given.
Okay, no problem, not given. So the question number 12 is?
But have you found these types of words that are the indications? Naib,
No,
have
no,
you
no,
found these types of words that are the indication of as soon as?
no, no, no. I don't found this. I don't found this, man.
Because we can see here that yeah, yeah, we can see that they arrived South Asians at the beginning of 17th century. Yes, at the beginning of 17th centuries, at the beginning of 17th century, but they talk permanently control over 1658. 1658. Have you found this 1650 at the?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
there is a loss of gap. So we
Yeah,
can say that yeah, it is a not given answer, isn't it?
yeah. Okay, okay. So we are going to next question.
Yeah, let's go to next question. The tree planted by the Dutch produce larger quantities of cinnamon than the wild trees. So let's see here. Our keyword is large quantities. Large quantities, and then wild
Wild
trees.
trees,
We can
wild
say
trees.
yes.
The trees
So
planted.
these are our two keywords. We should find out it. But as well as
Can be.
dash is also a keywords. But I think that dash is not important keywords because it is a similar. It is a known word. So we have to search in dash paragraph.
Okay, this is the para number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cinnamon trees. I can found it, and I think you also found this. This is wild trees available for use. Actually, this is false, Hasan. This is false because in questions we see that does produce larger quantities, but in passages wild trees available for use. Dimension
Actually,
number
I
of
think these. I think let me say you. Let me say. Let me say you. First of all, there is a comparisons. There is a comparisons between the dash trees and the wild trees. Okay, dash trees was planted as a supplement of the wild trees because wild trees at the time was reduced, isn't it? But there is no indications here that dash produce larger quantity of cinnamon than the wild trees. Have you found this what larger quantities?
uh,
Naik,
in passages.
search it.
In passages.
Yes, uh, yes. In passage, try to find out the keywords, larger quantities. We can see here that cinnamon is cultivating in the last part of the paragraph. Does began cultivating their own cinnamon trees to supplement the diminishing number of wild trees available for use. To supplement.
Yeah, supplement. I can found it.
So supplement, but in these paragraphs, we didn't find any words that are showing that the cultivating the dust trees are giving large quantities than the wild trees, isn't it?
Yeah, so this is not given. This answer is not given.
I think yes.
Okay, so the last question, we solve this. The spicy,
The
spice trade.
spice trade maintained its economic importance during the 19th century.
19th century is the keyword.
19th century and spice trade. Actually, spice is not the keyword. Maintain is the keyword. Maintain is the keyword and economic importance. These are the keywords. So let's search it. I think it would be in the last paragraph. Okay. Yeah, I found it. So if we go to the last part of the last paragraph, but the spice trade overall was demonizing. What does mean by the demonizing? Demonizing is demonizing means reductions, and decrease. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but the question is maintain economic importance, but we can find out that actually spice test actually demonized business or trade at that time was in 19th century. So the answer is
False.
totally false.
Answer is false.
So search in the answer sheet and let's see.
Actually, Hasan, our 10 and 13 question is absolutely right, but our 12 question also absolutely right, not given. But our 11 questions is actually false. It's not given, which is I called you. I called you in previous. So this is false. This answer is false, but you give me a logic or not given. But I don't know why you give me a logic.
Actually, Nahid,
Yeah,
I sometimes face these problems. It seems to that it is false or not given, but there is no, what should I say? There is no problems with the true and false, but the problem is not given.
actually, brother, the Dutch took over the cinnamon trade from the Portuguese as soon as they arrived in Ceylon. Actually, I mean you when Dutch in attack Portuguese, then they take from Portuguese this trade. So this is concept. I think is my opinion. So as a result, I called you. This answer is false, but you ensure me about as soon as your logic is as soon as this not given in passage. So that's why you called me not given. So it doesn't matter, friend. It doesn't matter. So our passage now reading passage one has been closed. Has closed now. So our next part. What is our next part? Please share with me. Friend.
Nahid.
Yeah. Can you listen properly? Would you listen properly?
Yeah. So let's go to our next.
Okay. Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah. And our next part is like reading and speaking.